Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to give you some tips, okay? And this one is really good to everyone. So what happened was, I have in here that from Amazon, and I'm going to show you why. This one is not yet open, is exactly from Amazon, because what happened was we have order and something happened, and just to guys let you know that this is a example that when you order something you need to have a warranty. A very important to have warranty. Okay, so I'm going to open this box and I will show you why this is a good tips to everyone, most especially when you buying some electronics and you are going to give or for yourself. And again, it's really good, okay, to buy a protection. So I will show you why. Now here you go. Okay, here you go guys. This is it. So what happened was, we have this tablet. Here we go. Okay, here you go guys. This tablet we have already for my son, and this one is it cracked in the screen, and I said he cannot use it because of the glass is cracked. So it's very dangerous to give it back to him to play. So glad that we have warranty, and that's the very good that we have warranty. And once you have warranty, you can give it back to them and send it back the old one. Okay, so that's a very important that you must buy a warranty, so that anytime you can give it back, that no question asked, most especially for the kids. Okay guys, and that's why this one is replacement. In here is brand new. So I'm going to open this up. You guys see it is brand new. Right there. Here you go guys. Oops. Here you go guys. There you go. So this is brand new that they sent again. You see it is brand new. So there you go guys. So now this one is replacement from this one. Okay guys, so just to guys let you know that when you purchase electronic or anything, you must buy the warranty if not included. Okay, so this one's very lucky that we have 2 years warranty, so we didn't pay anything. So this one is come out with just the computer, actually the tablet. And when you have it, you need to inspect them, okay, to make it sure that it's new And there you go. It's always brand new. And what we need to do is just transfer from the old one, from this old one, to go to the new one. And actually, this one is also perfect for the cover because they are exactly the same. You guys see it? That's all exactly the same. So again, this is only tips for you guys to help that I can give you. So you have idea if in case you buy something, anything. And so lucky that Amazon really, they have another one for him to replacement. So again, I will repeat, don't forget to buy the warranty if not included into your thing when you buy. Okay guys, most especially for electronics. Thank you again for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell. Notification is very important so that when I download a new video, you get notified. Thank you again for watching. God bless. Take care. Bye bye.